Welcome to Great Lakes Dental Clinic and Orthodontic Care, Kolkata. Today we are talking about Damon dental braces for treating gaps in teeth. Ours is one of the most advanced cosmetic dental care in Kolkata. If you have gaps in your teeth, then you need an orthodontist or a dental braces specialist or a cosmetic dentist. Patient reported to us with gaps in her upper front teeth and was depressed about her looks. As you can see, that multiple gaps are there in her front teeth. In fact, two of her front teeth were missing from her childhood. She was very concerned about her looks and did not want to smile. That's because she felt that it was very, very unaesthetic. So, what were the patient's problems? She complained of gummy smile and gaps in her front teeth. She used to avoid social gatherings, talks very less, and was very conscious of her problem. All she dreamt of was to have a great smile someday. We suggested her two ways to solve the problem: dental braces or aligners, which is a natural way of treating the problem, or cosmetic dentistry in the form of smile designing veneers, which are an artificial option. After considering both the options, she wanted a natural solution and did not want to wear crowns or veneers. Therefore, she went ahead with Damon dental braces, which is an advanced variety of dental braces as compared to the traditional options. So what are these Damon dental braces? They are braces with self-locking system. The number of the wires inside the mouth is far less as compared to traditional systems, and therefore they are much more comfortable than regular braces. They are compact and advanced treatment options. Many may, in some cases, treat a case non-extraction if at all there is severe crowding or irregularity of teeth. May, in some cases, give faster results, such as in cases of adults who want faster form of treatment. Hence, she went ahead with this present generation of dental braces known as the Damon dental braces. So that is the magic of the treatment. Natural closure of gaps with dental braces was done and no artificial crowns or veneers was given. This was her result before treatment, and after treatment, her results look something like this, in which all the gaps have been closed and no one can understand also that two of her front teeth were missing from childhood. This is from the side, in which you can see multiple gaps in her front teeth and two of her front teeth were missing. And then after treatment, she got a result something like this, where all the gaps in her front teeth were closed and her smile had drastically changed for good. From the left hand side also, you can see there are lots of gaps in the front teeth, but the magic of the treatment was closure of the gaps without using crowns or veneers and only using dental braces as a natural solution. That is her after treatment result. Her success story could be yours too if you have similar problems. This was her before treatment and this is her after treatment. Although much change was not observed when she is not smiling, but during her smile, a drastic change in her smile was noted, in which we can see that there is a complete transformation in her looks, and she looks much more confident, and her smile has drastically improved. This is from the side, in which you can see multiple gaps in her front teeth. Now she smiles far more better, and therefore there is a great aesthetic change to her looks. From the side, her lips were slightly jutting out before treatment, but after treatment, her profile looks much more balanced. Dental braces or aligners are the most natural way of treating your problem. You could treat them with metal braces or invisible ceramic braces, which are the normal braces used. However, the recent advancement has been a fully invisible digital aligner system called as Invisalign, which does not require putting of dental braces. These can be removed and put back inside the mouth. For more information, you should meet an orthodontist. So if you want more information about such forms of treatment, you can meet our chief orthodontist and dental braces and cosmetic designing expert, Dr. Abhishek Ghosh, in our clinic in South Kolkata, Great Lakes Dental Clinic and Orthodontic Care. Ours is the most internationally awarded dental clinic in Kolkata, and it's the only dental clinic in Eastern India to have been awarded and certified jointly by the prestigious Royal College of Surgeons UK, England, London, Royal College of Surgeons Ireland, Royal College of Surgeons and Physicians Glasgow, and Royal College of Surgeons Edinburgh. It is also certified by the Indian Board of Orthodontics. For the great services that we have rendered over the years, we have been adjudged the best dental clinic in Kolkata and also the best cosmetic dentist in Kolkata. If you want to know more about your problems and want to get treated from us, you can visit us at www.greatlakesdentalclinics.com or contact us at 833-709-8496 or 833-5979-173. Thank you for looking into this video. Keep subscribing us in YouTube to know more about how to solve cosmetic dental problems and how to get yourself treated and have a very happy smile.